All right, guys, if you hold XRP, you definitely need to watch this video because yesterday was absolutely insane. However, if you were watching my videos, you would have understood that the massive dump that the markets took yesterday was very likely. If you go back a few videos, I was telling you guys that if we lost this line of support, that we were likely going to go down and touch this line of support on our downward trending channel, going down to the 140s range. And I also mentioned that we could dip below our line of support temporarily, which we did. And now we are back in structure. Funny enough, we're back in our channel after a major liquidation event, coming down to about $1.11 on XRP. Now that sucks, right? Because we got a lot more work to do now to get back up to some of these levels of resistance and retest those, and hopefully at some point get back above them. But the good news here is that if you look at the Bitcoin chart, we came down into this range, which was the high of the previous bull market in the last cycle. That is where we came down to. Traditionally, bear market lows come down to previous bull market highs. That move here played out much quicker than it typically would. Usually these things draw out a little bit longer to get into those low ranges. This cycle, Bitcoin has just absolutely dumped right down into the range that we needed to be. That's not to say that we cannot go lower. But guys, we could already very well be at the bear market lows, get the Clarity Act, and start to see recovery and go into our next cycle, testing new all-time highs and hopefully mimic the dot-com boom back in the 90s. When the Telecom Act passed, internet companies experienced a 3-year bull run. And now we are looking at that same possibility with the crypto and blockchain industry following the Clarity Act. So let me know down below, do you guys want a 3-year bull run for your crypto bags?